Hey there! Welcome back to Financial Journey. Today, we're talking about something we all love, saving money. In this video, we'll explore 10 super easy ways you can start saving money right now. So let's dive in. But before we begin, if you find this video helpful, remember to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Let's get started. Budgeting. Number 1, start with budgeting. Think of it like a money map. Make a list of how much money you have coming in and where it needs to go. Don't forget to set aside some for your savings. Budgeting is the first step to saving money. Meal planning. Tip number 2 is meal planning. It's a simple way to save cash. Plan your meals for the week, create a shopping list, and stick to it. Not only will you save money, but you'll also eat better. Win-win. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Now, tip number 3, cut out those subscriptions you don't really need. Do you use all those streaming services? Review your subscriptions and cancel the ones you don't need. It's an easy way to save money. Bulk shopping. Number 4, think about bulk shopping. Buying in bigger quantities can save you money, especially for things that don't go bad quickly. Just make sure you'll use them up. Energy efficiency. Tip 5 is all about saving on energy bills. Turn off lights, unplug devices, and think about energy-efficient appliances. It'll help lower your bills. Comparison shopping. Number 6, shop around before you buy anything. Whether it's gadgets, furniture, or groceries, check different stores and websites for the best deals. DIY and repurposing. Now, tip 7 is a fun one. Get creative. Instead of buying new stuff, try repurposing things you already have or make things yourself. It's a great way to save. Set savings goals. Tip number 8, set some savings goals. Having a clear target in mind can motivate you to save more. It could be for a vacation, emergencies, or your future. Avoid impulse buying. Number 9, avoid impulse buying. Before you buy something, ask yourself if you really need it or if it's just a want. If it's a want, think it over for a day or two. You might change your mind. Automated savings. And last but not least, tip number 10. Automate your savings. Set up your bank to move money from your checking to your savings automatically. It's a set-it-and-forget-it way to save. So there you have it, 10 super easy ways to save money. Small changes can add up to big savings over time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you soon, and happy saving.